This is my submission into the Gearhead choice category for the Deboss International. What are you doing here, dude? It's not 2020 anymore. They changed the name. It's not, there's no quarantine in the name anymore. I don't know what you're doing here. Why don't you get back in your carriage and just return to whatever freaking time you're from? All right, so this is my 1971 Chevy C-10. Honestly, for me, with this truck, it started in 8th grade. It was right after I watched Dazed and Confused, and I knew that I had to have Benny's truck, which was a 72 Chevy C-10.
Man, you still need me?
No, man.
All right, cool. I'm gonna go edit video.
Thanks a lot, bro.
Later, bro.
So yeah, after watching that movie, I knew I had to have it. I also ended up buying a Chevelle years before this one. You'll probably guess why. So yeah, let me kind of give you a rundown of what I've done so far and kind of what's on the channel. And I'll show you kind of where I'm at right now with the repairs on the cab corner that I'm doing. And yeah, so let's get this segment started. All right, so the floor is all mocked up and fitted. Let's get started. Let's melt some metal.
I cannot take that. There's something feeling. It's deep within my
The taste of Bolt. Tastes excellent. There is no play in these hinges anymore. The first order of business is to remove this windshield. Because without removing this windshield, you are never going to get the access to that window channel. And sadly to say, at the factory, they welded that dashboard to the window channel. You might be asking yourself, what is the best way to remove a windshield out of a 1971 C-10 truck? Well, this is probably the most effective. So this is probably 10 minutes into me grinding. All right, so I think the best plan of attack at this point is just to stop and take a small little road trip to that junkyard I was telling you about. Because I think I might need a little bit more than just a cowl section. All right, see you there. We're here. So since we got all of that out of the way, this is where I am sitting. I've been putting in a lot of time on this truck in the last, I would say, month or so. So the cab corner is fitted. I just got to rosette weld this whole area here. I just finished welding the entire floor in. So that's all done. I eliminated some of these holes. I still got some cleanup on, obviously, the cab corner where I made some mistakes. And the B-pillar fits like complete garbage, and that's going to be probably the next thing I do.
Put the windows down!